Okay, so for number 15 we have this equation and we're finding all the solutions between 0 and 2 pi. So this one is a little trickier, but here we have a quadratic. So to make it a little easier, we can call u, we'll use u substitution. So u equals sine of x. And so we can rewrite this equation here as 2u squared minus u minus 1 equal to 0. So we can do factor by grouping here. So I know you guys do it this way. So we've got AC, so that would be 2 times negative 1, so it would be negative 2, and then B here is negative 1, so we're looking for something that will add, multiply to get negative 2 and add to get negative 1. So we've got negative 2 plus 1, right? So we can rewrite this as 2u squared minus 2u plus 1u minus 1 equals 0. So we're just rewriting B as negative 2u plus 1u. Just do that. This is the u squared. Okay, so here we factor by grouping, so we can take out a negative 2 here, or let's take out a 2u, so we get u minus 1. Here we can just take out a 1 here. We get u minus 1 equals 0. And now I'm going to replace these u's now again with this sine x that we originally replaced it with. So 2 sine x plus 1, and then sine of x minus 1, because these two will combine, the u minus 1s equals 0, because we can factor them both out. So now we have two things that we can set equal to 0. So we've got 2 sine x plus 1 equal to 0, sine of x minus 1 equals 0. We can solve this. We'll get sine of x equals negative 1/2, and we'll get sine of x equals 1. So now we're just looking on the unit circle for when sine is negative 1/2 and when sine is 1. And we will get 3 answers here between 0 and 2 pi. So we should have 7 pi 6, 11 pi 6, and pi halves. That's when sine is 1, and these are when sine is negative 1/2.